Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making two different type of flowers using a single brush, single technique but different variations. So let's start. So here I have taken a drawing paper and I have stick the sides of this paper onto my table with the masking tape, and I have also stick the masking tape in between. So we will be using a single sheet and we will be making two different flower paintings in one sheet. So before beginning our painting, I will show you a very small trick. So here I have taken the lid of this ice cream container and I will cover it using a tin foil or aluminium foil and just cover it like this. And I will be pouring my colors over it because I am really very lazy kind of a person. So I don't have to wash my color palette or any tray again and again. I will be using this as to put my colors, and I will simply unfold it and throw it away. So this is my small trick. I am taking here a number 3 round brush, this one. And the color for the first flower that we will be using is this crimson red, pink or magenta, whichever color you have. I have taken a pink color, this yellow color, golden yellow, you can take any color, and for green I have taken this deep green. Always remember, you should not use your bottle directly and you dip the brush directly into the bottle. Always take the brush, take colors how much you need, pour it over your tray, wash your brush, and again take the fresh color. Now take color into your brush and position your brush where you want your flowers to be. Now put the brush here, press it gently and spread the bristles like this and simply come down like this. So here's our first flower. It's not a petal, it's a complete flower. I will show you how. Now what you have to do, again take your color and swipe across like this. And we are done with our flowers. Let's continue. Now I'm taking my pink color and take this and make small strokes here, the lighter shade. I'm taking white here, just a little bit. Mix it with your pink to give it a lighter shade. So now I'm taking my yellow color more, just a little bit is enough. Now put dots here like this. Just like pollens. So now I'm taking my blue color. Now give strokes like this. Use the tip of your brush, just like pollens are connected. So here you can see friends how our flowers are looking. So now let's complete the whole part of the flowers and leaves and stems. So now let's make small flowers like this. I would place one here. You have to use single stroke. So now let's take our green color Take the back of this brush, dip into your color, make a small dot. Now take green color at the tip of the brush and do it like this. Now make the stems. Take some little white along with green onto your brush. Press like this and like this. And a bit more green like this. Some broader leaves can also be made. And friends, our first set of flower is complete. So for the second flower, I'm taking white and light blue. So here the technique is same. Just take white, mix, and blue, mix it together little bit, not completely, just like this. And now we will make the flowers. So I'll position my brush here. Come down. See the effect of the two colors is coming so beautifully. I'll place my second flower here. You have to move it a little bit forward, then come back for this fine. Now I'm taking this sap green color. Now let's make the stems. I'm going straight here. Second one like this. You have to take the tip of your brush. Don't worry if it doesn't come straight. Now we will make some leaves here, small leaves like this. Now what we will do, we'll take the same color and cover it here like this. For learning one stroke painting, these type of flowers are best. So you can practice and can control your hand movements. Now I am taking this burnt umber. It's kind of brown color. Again, use the tip of your brush. Now make small like this. We will be connecting few dots in this. So now I'm taking the same yellow color that I used for my first painting. Now again take the tip of the brush, put dots here. So friends, our painting is complete. Today we learned how to use single strokes to make two different flowers with a very little variations. Do practice and give your feedback in comment section. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon so that you never miss my tutorials. So see you next time with something new. I am Atoshi Mandal signing off.